Chapter 10, the final chapter of George Orwell's Animal Farm, begins years after the expulsion of Snowball. Even though the farm is richer, the animals' conditions have not improved. The phrase, "all animals are equal," that was initially set out has now been altered to, "all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others." In fact, the pigs have not only become indistinguishably human-like, but have also begun to act like them. They start walking on their hind legs, wearing Mr. Jones' clothes, and even sleeping in beds. This is a deviation from the original commandments they set for themselves, which included 4 legs good, 2 legs bad, and no animal shall sleep in a bed. They also start to trade with the neighboring farms, which shocks the other animals, but Napoleon convinces them that their memories are faulty and that these were their original ideals. All other rejected commandments from the past have now been replaced by a single commandment: 4 legs good, 2 legs better. The climax of the chapter, and indeed the book, is a party held by Napoleon and the other pigs for the local human farmers. They compliment on how hardworking the animals are, even under minimal food provisions, the benefit of which they reap. The farmers congratulate Napoleon for having the hardest working but worst fed animals in the region, and for abolishing troublesome ideas such as animal rights and equality. Napoleon announces that Animal Farm will revert to its old name, the Manor Farm. The animals, peering into the window, can no longer distinguish pigs from humans, thus symbolizing a complete shift in power and a deviation from all the promises given to the ordinary animals when the rebellion began. This chapter and the story ends on a bleak note, encapsulating how, in an attempt to break free from oppression, the animals ended up replacing one tyrant with another. Orwell seems to be sending a message about the corrosive effects of power and the inherent tendency towards corruption in any social system.